roasted
apple pepper bacon jam. Oh.
Don't say that twice in a row. You'll get tongue-tied.
I haven't yet.
Yeah, but this is all that you need for that.
So you're searing off some apples and onions.
Yeah, I'm going to char the apples and onions until they get really nice roasted flavor. And then I'm going to cook the bacon until it's crispy.
That goes in the skillet, I assume. That's too small for GrillGrates there.
Yeah, and you just cook it till it's, crispy. And then basically chop everything goes into one. And it's cook it down, and you'll want to make probably a double recipe.
Well, that's what we've talked about. We've already got ideas for.
And
what would you put this on? Biscuits?
Oh yeah, biscuits like Christmas morning, Thanksgiving morning.
I'm 64 years old and I've never had bacon.
Well, you'll have to take this home with you. On waffles.
It's the little things.
And French toast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's rock and roll. Let's go ahead and hit the grill.
It won't go to waste.
I love how you got this all set up for us to go outside.
Making it easy. We're going to put our apple here, that little bit of a sizzle. That's what you want. There we go. So bacon's cooking, and these are going to get a good char.
So this is the bacon apple pepper jam.
Yeah.
I got it. I can't wait to taste it. Okay.
There.
Beautiful. All right, we're rounding the bend.
We're ready.
On the bacon pepper jelly jam. I am getting that.
Yeah.
Man, I'm getting this.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
All right, this is ready. I've cooked this bacon till it's crispy.
And you're gonna leave all that bacon grease in there just to get to know all this?
Yes, because once we chop these onions and these apples and add the bread. I'll get yes, you do that. I'm gonna
yes, we didn't. There you go.
No, that's fine. I like to cook the onions with the root on. Did you notice I cooked the root in because it stays together? You leave the root.
You taught us that last time we were together.
So did I?
You did. It's a Tina tip, right? Yes. You've already got that in one of her recipes, right?
Okay, all right.
Hear that? Cook your onions with the root on.
We might have some onion skins going. These are pretty hot, so if I go ahead and take the skin off, they'll cool off a little quicker because it's like a little insulator, that skin.
Oh.
So we're just going to let it cool off where I can cut it. And the same thing with the apples. I'm going to go ahead and just cut on each side of that core.
There you go.
And we're basically just going to chop all this up, y'all, and put it in our crispy bacon. Stir it up, add the brown sugar, add the balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste.
Now we're talking.
Yep, that's it.
Now we are talking.
We can throw this out.
Okay, let me grab that with my GrillGrate glove. I'll be right back.
So I don't mind a little peel on it. I'll use a little peel because I just like the texture. So we're just gonna chop, chop, chop. Doesn't have to be necessarily uniform. That gives it some character, y'all. Don't be ridiculous about stuff. Don't make cooking hard. We want it to be fun. Now, I wish we had smell-o-vision. But we don't. You'll have to make some. So we're just going to put all of our apples in here. And our onion. This is a little hot, y'all. So if it looks like I'm cutting it weird, it's because it's hot. You can actually do this charring ahead of time and mix it together, in front of people on the grill, or you can make this in advance. You're going to want to have a jar in your fridge, I think.
Yeah, that's why we're making extra. This is more than we need for the ham steaks. I have it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. By design.
You can have some biscuits tomorrow with it here with everybody. All right, I'm going to continue.
And I'll give you a little love here.
Yes, just keep it stirred up for me there.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So as this cooks down, I'm going to keep adding because you'll see it'll shrink up.
Yep.
Now, this looks like too much, I know. We're going to fill that baby up.
Perfect.
I like to do this on a charcoal grill because I like that wood flavor.
Oh, well, I can smell it. And that's pecan wood you're burning right now?
Yes, pecan, and I love that flavor together. Now, I have, did this on a pellet. I have made this in the house, but I just love using a charcoal grill for this with wood.
I think we made the right selection. I'm very happy. I'm right downwind of the smoke.
Me too.
I'm on an ode to pecan. Look at that.
Smell it?
Oh, every bit of it.
Mm-hmm. So what you're looking for is for everything to get very soft.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. So I can take the back of a spoon.
Almost soggy, almost.
Yeah. And if you can chop your you know, onions and apples.
I noticed you're getting to
to
come to the bigger chunks. You're knocking them down a little bit.
I like them. I like it chunky, but if you don't like it chunky.
And this is going on the ham steak just on top.
Yes.
Whoa. All right, so.
This is brown sugar, and I have about a half a cup here, but since we are making a little bit smaller amount than the recipe I think y'all are putting online, we're probably going to use about 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And I just use light brown sugar.
Okay.
Now at this point, once that sugar melts.
Doing it quick.
Yeah. So this is balsamic vinegar, an aged balsamic you can use, or you can use glaze. Don't get caught up in exactly which one. Whichever one you have, use it. I've even used a maple vinegar before.
Oh.
You know, you can get maple vinegar. So I'm going to put
a good bit.
A good bit. I would say that's
a dollop.
Yes, that's a dollop. Yeah. I would say because this is about 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
And then stir that around. I want.
Every time you touch that, it gets better and better. Wow.
So you're done. Take a look at that. So it's kind of chunky, which will be great with ham steak.
Oh.
I mean, look at these beautiful ham steaks.
You know that's not processed.
No, just sliced. Now you
beautiful.
Now these are Smithfield, so ham steaks technically are already cooked. We just want really good char, really good grill marks on these.
And some smoke.
And some of this smoke from the pecan wood flavor. So we're enhancing the flavor that's already there.
Beautiful. Now, you want to take a peek at our marks?
We can look at a peek. Now, I trusted you to heat this grill up.
Oh, it's hot, baby. I would give it. You want to give it a little more?
Can.
Yeah.
Have you got it even, like coals all the way across?
I did.
Okay.
I did. We'll give it another minute. Lift and twist.
Lift and twist.
Now, these are big old boogers, so we're going to do it. I'm going to kind of get him to make sure he's ready to be twisted, you know.
Yeah. I find that when it's ready, it releases easy.
Correct. And
like
it's
the same thing
ready.
with fish. When it.
I just twisted.
That's it.
You missed it.
No, I got it. Do it.
Yep, doing it. I got
Twist it like
to get under there. Well, we've been running this grill for a while, so she's a little hot. That's okay. And I'm gonna get right into the center. Twist.
Oh, yeah.
Another couple minutes. I can't.
Good at that.
I would say this is a fairly southern dish. Is that
Oh
fair?
yeah, and ham steaks. I mean, breakfast, lunch. We're gonna do it more of a holiday meal. We're gonna put this on a platter and serve it with the
pepper bacon jam.
No,
I missed one.
Pepper, bacon, apple jam.
Yeah, pepper.
It's right here. It's right here.
And we're gonna put
that all on top. So
see this, this ham is done. We
I
just
know.
want it heated.
We just want to
through,
mark it. Yes.
Mark it, and also get some of that good pecan wood charcoal flavor on it.
That and those wood chunks were big. I would probably use a little smaller chunk when you're grilling.
You can actually, for something like this,
oh yeah.
Firewood sells the little pizza slivers for something like this that you could use.
Okay.
And
so
you can just slip them in right.
So usually you wait for your friends who are around, grab your beers, and you say, "Okay, folks, there it is."
Oh yeah.
That's the steakhouse turn. Except we're doing it with ham.
Yes. I love
Pretty. Yeah, this is great. Now you're going to plate this whole.
Yes.
Well, we're going to cover it first. Not bad. A little hotter on that. That's your pecan up there.
Yeah.
But that's cooked already. Whoa.
But depending on how many people you have, this
In fact,
would
I'm
be.
going to bring him over there and get a little extra.
Probably,
We don't need the heat.
I would say 3 servings easy, and I always claim this piece with the bone. That's mine.
You and Susan will have to tussle over that.
I love this option of having a platter of ham steaks.
You're giving me ideas for Thanksgiving. That's what this is all about.
Because guess what? You don't really have to take that. You just ham steaks, put the platter out, and everybody gets what they want.
Well,
I'm going to cut this in about 3 or 4
Well, the
servings.
answer is both. It isn't either or. I get me a piece of ham, and I get some turkey.
I just put the extra apples and onions on there. If I have a lot of extra, you know how good they are. They're grilled that way, especially like Fuji apples. So I'm going to top it with this.
We're all waiting.
You're waiting?
I'm just. Oh.
Let's save this for a biscuit.
Darn right. Take some of that off of there. Beautiful.
So, I mean, how simple is that? And then you can make, extra and pass it on the table.
Well, we'll go in the kitchen.
I just love to put it on there.
And we'll take a couple pictures, and then we'll put it on a cutting board and cut it up.
All right.